And let's begin with breaking news that's coming in. Before we focus on Andhra Pradesh, there's a big news break coming in as Kangana Ranaut, the newly minted Member of Parliament, claims she was slapped at the Chandigarh airport. Now, according to Kangana Ranaut, a CISF female constable assaulted her, slapped her. Chaos that's broken out at the Chandigarh airport. Kangana was headed to the national capital when this alleged incident took place. Now, we're getting images also which we're playing out on our screens where you can see Kangana being protected by her team being ushered away. An inquiry committee has now been set up to probe this incident and the alleged slapping that took place. A CISF woman constable has been reportedly involved in this fracas, and she allegedly slapped Kangana Ranaut at the Chandigarh airport. We're still picking up details on exactly what happened, but as far as the CISF goes, they've gone ahead and lodged an official inquiry into the matter. So hopefully in the hours to come, we'll get details of exactly what happened. But you can see clearly Kangana Ranaut there, irate, walking past, talking to security, they're talking to the CISF, demanding answers. These are images that we're getting to you from inside the Chandigarh airport. Kamaljit Sandhu is joining us live with more details on this. Kamaljit, what exactly have you been able to pick up? Kangana Ranaut claims she was slapped. What is the CISF's version?
Yeah, after winning Mandi constituency, she seems to be on a high as far as performance is concerned because she obviously got a huge majority. She's expected to be part of the NDA meet tomorrow. She was headed towards the parliament. She made it very amply clear on her social media. But what she didn't know was what was expected and awaiting her at Chandigarh airport because after going through the security check, there's frisking done, which is one-on-one, which is a very closed area and it's kept very private. And that is where it seems that Constable Kulvinder Kaur of the CISF, because remember all airports, CISF is the one which gives security cover. She seems to have slapped her basically on her remarks regarding the farmers. And an angry and irate Kangana Ranaut obviously went out of that room, and then her team came back, and obviously there seems to be an altercation which happened. We've been seeing CISF trying to calm tempers down, but it does seem that the lady constable was at fault. Now she was detained and brought to the commanding officer's room where she's being currently interrogated. Punjab police top officials have also reached.
Just going to come back to you. I want to bring in also Aman Bharadwaj of this broadcast, who's joining us live from the Chandigarh airport where allegedly this scuffle broke out. Aman, can you get us details of exactly what happened? What led to this kind of a face-off between the female constable and Kangana?
See, it's been informed that her remarks in previous time to the farmers or to the Punjabis has taken her to the controversy which happened here in Chandigarh airport before 3 p.m. when she was going for her flight. This is the right VIP entry from where several VVIP used to take departure for certain places, and Kangana, when entered here, CISF's the constable Kulvinder Kaur slapped her after an argument, and right now we are joined by Himachal's ex-CM Jairam Thakur. Sir, what exactly happened? क्या हुआ था सर? आपको कुछ पता लगा? आप किस तरीके की मांग कर रहे हैं?
मुझे भी चैनल से ही मालूम पड़ा, सूचना मिली कि इस तरह से घटना हुई। मैंने कोशिश की, हमने यहाँ पर इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने की एयरपोर्ट, हम रास्ते में आ रहे थे यहाँ चंडीगढ़ एयरपोर्ट के लिए क्योंकि दिल्ली जाना है, तो जानकारी यही मिली कि इस तरह की घटना हुई। जब सिक्योरिटी चेक हो रहा था तो उस वक्त कुछ लेडी कांस्टेबल ने उनके ऊपर थप्पड़ मारा है, हाथ उठाया है, ऐसा कहा है।
आप कार्रवाई की मांग कर रहे हैं सर?
तो डेफिनेटली एक चुने हुए प्रतिनिधि के खिलाफ, और वो भी एयरपोर्ट में इतनी सुरक्षा में इस तरह की घटना होना तो वेरी।
ये बताया जा रहा है कि किसानों पर जो बयान कंगना रनौत ने दिए हैं उस कारण से कहीं ना कहीं कुलविंदर कौर ने थप्पड़ मारा।
किसी भी तरह कोई भी वजह कुछ भी हो, लेकिन गलत है तो गलत है।
दिल्ली से कोई प्रोग्राम है कंगना का?
नहीं, देखो कल हमारी मीटिंग है, सारे मेंबर पार्लियामेंट दिल्ली बुलाए हैं। हमारा सेंट्रल हॉल में मीटिंग है जिसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर के नाते नरेंद्र मोदी जी का नाम प्रपोज होगा और सब लोग वहां पर, पार्टी के लीडर्स वहां पर होने वाले हैं।
सो वी हैव सुरेश कश्यप आल्सो हु इज एमपी फ्रॉम शिमला। सर, आप दूसरी बार एमपी हैं, कंगना के अब साथी बनने जा रहे हैं संसद में, क्या कहेंगे? जो इंसिडेंट ये खासकर हुआ है, एक बतौर सांसद क्या प्रोटोकॉल होता है ऐसे थप्पड़ मारना? क्या
बहुत मैं समझता हूँ अनफॉर्चुनेट है, और सांसद के साथ एक इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के साथ इस प्रकार का जो घटना घटी है बहुत निंदनीय है। और मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए कि किस वजह, और जांच भी होनी चाहिए कि किस वजह से ऐसा हुआ है। और जो एमपी फर्स्ट टाइम एमपी बनकर आज एयरपोर्ट पे आई और उनके साथ इस प्रकार का दुर्व्यवहार किया गया है, बहुत निंदनीय है।
ये सब जांच कर रही है, लेकिन किसानों पर दिए बयान कहते हैं कि वो कारण बनेगी।
देखिए, कारण जो भी रहा हो, और एक सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल जो ऑन ड्यूटी है इस प्रकार से व्यवहार करना, स्लैप करना, या जो भी इंसिडेंट हुआ है, ये बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। अगर कोई भी कारण रहा हो, लेकिन ये तो बनता नहीं कि किसी के ऊपर अब करें। निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
क्या कार्यक्रम करने का था आपको आइडिया?
देखिए, कल संसदीय दल की बैठक है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, और प्राइम मिनिस्टर के इलेक्शन को लेकर आगे प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो चुनाव होना है, उसके लिए कल बैठक रखी गई।
Okay, so Jairam Thakur, the former Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister with the BJP, has also condemned what's happened with Kangana Ranaut. And according to him, she was slapped by the female CISF constable. What we're hearing is that, yes, she was slapped by this constable, after which someone from Kangana's team attempted to also slap back the constable involved here. So fracas, chaos that's played out at the Chandigarh airport. An official inquiry, as I told you earlier, has been lodged into this incident. We'll get you all the latest on this particular story.